Good morning children. In previous class we were discussing types of angle. Only 4 types of angles we discussed. In today's class we discuss some more types. Now see that zero angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 0 degree is called a zero angle. See, in previous class we discussed about right angle, exactly 90 degrees right angle, exactly 180 degrees a straight angle. Similarly, exactly 0 degree is called a straight zero angle. Am I clear? Like example, you can say when your clock shows 8:45, that means quarter to 9, you can say C, or both the hands of the clock will be on 9 o'clock only, that means both hands shows the same direction, they moves in one direction only, in one way only, that is nothing but a zero angle. Or when your clock shows 3:15, both hands will be in both hands of the clock will be on 3 only, that is nothing but 3:15, it is also a zero angle. See this symbol, both rays move in same direction. Angle QPR, we read it as angle QPR, is nothing but 0 degree angle. Am I clear children? Now next is complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called a complete angle. Like you can say your circle. See, we are starting from here and ending here. It is nothing but a complete angle. You can take the example of your full pizza. You can take your example of your mother bangle. Your mother bangle, you can say. It is also making complete rotation. It should move in a one direction. Like if you take the example of your clock start from 1 and end it 12, correct? It's complete, it rotate like this, that is nothing but it making one complete angle. Clear children? Now one complete angle is nothing but 360 degree. Like exactly 180 degree is a straight angle, similarly exactly 360 degree is complete angle. 360 I can write children, 4 into 90, 4 9 36, so 4 into 90 is 360, or that means 90 is what? Right angle. That means 4 right angles. One complete angle makes 4 right angles. Again this 360 I can write 2 into 180 degree. 180 is what? Straight angle. So 360 make 2 straight angle. Important point children. One complete angle make 4 right angles and one complete angle makes 2 straight angles. Clear children? See the diagram here. I have drawn angle A, B, C, D. See how it is moving here to here, here to here, here to here and here to here. Complete one rotation. That is nothing but a complete angle. Clear? Now next one is coin. Also you can say, did you observe coin? Any coin, 2 rupees coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, any coin you observe, it is also example of complete angle. Next one is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Clear children? How? See, 181, 182, like that. It should be up to 359. If we are taking angles in between these, that is nothing but reflex angle. Less than 360 it should be. That's why I have taken 359. Clear? Example, you can say 3 pieces of pizza. If you take your pizza, full pizza, and you are taking out one part, correct? You are removing this part. So remaining 3 pieces are there. Here they are making reflex angle. Here I have taken 270 degree. See, angle AOB, not inside children, I am taking upper one. AOB, this one is nothing but a reflex angle. Am I clear children? If you want to take the example of your clock also, you can take 3, here 7. If your clock is showing 375, 335. So here it is making a reflex angle. Am I clear children? Now today's your homework is write and learn the definitions of different types of angle. That means in previous class we discussed 4 types of angles and in today's class we discussed 3 types of angle. Total 7 types of angles with examples and with diagram you should write and learn. Clear?